Hello kids, my name is Dr.Shivani Jain. I am from Vidya Prakashan Private Limited. Let us discuss uses and working of a computer. Uses of a computer. Computer has become essential part of our life. It helps us in many ways. It makes our work easier and faster. It can do different types of work. Places where computers are used. Computers are used in different places for different kinds of work. Home, school, shops and offices, hotels, banks, railway stations and airports, designing, films, research and development, etc. Now I will explain you about the working of the computer. A computer works upon a special process. This process is called input process output cycle or IPU cycle. To understand the working of a computer, let's take an example. If we are given numbers 5 and 6 to add, our brain starts working. Addition of numbers takes place in our mind. The result we find is 11. Here, numbers 5 and 6 are inputs. Our brain does processing. The output is 11. Similarly, every computer goes through the following 3 steps: input, process and output. Input. The data, instructions and commands given to the computer are called input. Process. The CPU of the computer works on the data according to the instructions given. This process is called processing. Output. The result given by a computer after processing is called output. Now we will study different types of devices. A part or tool that does a particular job is called a device. A computer has different devices. These are input device, processing device, output device and storage device. Input device. Input devices are used to feed data to the computer. Data can be in the form of symbols, letters, numbers, pictures or sounds. Common input devices are keyboard, mouse and scanner. Processing device. Working on input data is called processing. CPU is the processing device of a computer. Output devices. The part of a computer which helps us to give output are called output devices. Common output devices are monitor, printer and speakers. Storage devices. A storage device is a device that stores data for later use. Common storage devices are hard disk, CD, pen drive, etc.